The Zalman S2 mid-tower PC case stands out with its sleek design and full acrylic side panel, offering a modern and stylish look. This case is engineered to enhance airflow with its mesh front panel and comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, ensuring efficient cooling. Designed for convenience, the Zalman S2 includes a user-friendly interface featuring both USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports. A dedicated space for the power supply unit optimizes cooling performance, making it an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts. The case offers ample expansion options with 7 PCI expansion slots, allowing for versatile hardware configurations. To maintain cleanliness and performance, the Zalman S2 is equipped with magnetic dust filters at both the top and bottom.